everyone, this is Jessie. Welcome back to PooLin's channel. Today, let's get your single needle machine update. Here are 4 essential rules to follow. First, it is recommended to use the original USB drive provided with the machine for the update, as this can effectively reduce the compatibility issue. Second, if you use other USB, it's recommended to use a USB device format with the FAT32 file system and a capacity of 32 GB or less. Otherwise, the update might fail. Third, watch the pop-up. During the update process, if the pop-up prompt window can be cancelled, it indicates that the upgrade file hasn't been processed correctly and the machine hasn't been successfully updated. Finally, this update is only for machines with the in-stitch sticker. For older machines, you can contact our engineers directly. Don't skip this check or you might end up with a white screen. Now let's use our EOC06 as an example. First, head over to 100horse.com. Click Control System, then Release Nodes. Find your model, the EOC06, on the left side. If you use other models of machines such as our EOC03/05 series machines or EOC07, just find the corresponding file in the left side and download it. The tutorials and the process is completely the same. And hit download to grab the latest update file. Once download, right-click the zip file and select Extract here. You will see 2 items, a folder named TZE with about 39 files inside, and a separate file named TZE-TFL. Copy both items and paste them directly into the root of your USB drive. Please note that they must be in the main directory, not inside any other folders. And a quick reminder, do not rename anything or change the file extensions, or the system won't be able to recognize the update. Now plug the USB into your EOC06 and power on the machine. Go to Settings, then System Management, and tap Update to begin. Be patient while the system runs. During this time, do not turn off the machine, unplug the USB, or touch any buttons. Just let the process finish on its own. Here is how to check the status. If a pop-up appears that you can cancel, the update didn't start, likely due to a file placement error on your USB. But if the pop-up is locked and can't be closed, you are good to go. The update is working perfectly. That's it! Your system update is complete. Now just give your machine a quick check and verify that you are running the latest version. If you run into any trouble, feel free to reach out to your sales rep or our tech support team. We will be here to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.